knife is a fighting knife designed solely for military use and primarily intended for hand-to-hand or close combat fighting. The highest level of military units testifies to the reliability of a good combat knife. From the advanced technology of ever-evolving fighter aircraft to the armored forces of battle tanks, the fighting knife has retained its status as an unpredictable weapon. Therefore, the best military combat knife that works well in demand, war-related situations and provides you with the performance you need to face your enemy. The best combat knives are extremely reliable with fixed blades that retain their edge and are built with a nearly indestructible handle with textured grooves for better control. When you are shopping for tactical combat knives, you'll notice that there are thousands of knives that you could choose from as your weapon. But we chose only the best combat knives so you can easily find the best knives for self-defense or other combat uses. In this review, we will be looking at the 5 best military and special force combat knives of 2022. So, let's begin.
Hello there, we are the Top Zone. We're a bunch of researcher and tester. We test, analyze, research new product, and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, features, and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products ideas so the viewer may know about the products. Our goal is to create the proper shopping guide so the viewer can make their proper decision.
The Gerber LMF2 is a knife that has seen combat in every region of the world and has been repeatedly war-tested and proven. This knife is among one of the most famous designed for military personnel survival knives in recent times and is made available to anyone in general. It comes with a durable, fire-resistant sheath to protect the blade in any situation. The blade in the LMF2 is made from 420 HC stainless steel. This knife has a quite wide blade that is 4.84 inches long and the overall length of the knife from the tip of the blade to the bottom is 10.59 inches. This multi-purpose knife weighs around 11.67 ounces without its heavy sheath, and it weighs a bit more, around 24.28 ounces with the sheath. Its handle is made out of glass-filled nylon with TVP overmold, and it has lanyard holes that allow it to be simply converted into a spear. The handle also comes with a flare on the end of the handle to prevent your hand from slipping, and the tip of the handle has a pointed metal tip so you can break through glass. The sheath is specially designed for belt carry and is MOLLE compatible. You can attach this knife easily to your belt because of the comfortable strap. Furthermore, it comes with a lifetime warranty from Gerber. If you're lost somewhere in the jungle, caught behind enemy camps, stuck in a natural disaster, or you are out with your family or friends for a camping trip, then the Gerber LMF2 knife can increase the chance of survival in your favor and can easily turn a potential accident into an exciting adventure. Designed by the military for special forces use, the CRKT M21 14 SFG EDC folding knife delivers unique CRKT kit Carson series features requested by military procurement specialists. The extremely sharp blade of the knife is used for difficult cutting tasks. It has exceptional cutting power with a comfortable and secure grip. It is built for heavy-duty tasks with high carbon stainless steel material. It has the iconic handle design seen in many other CRKT knives with bored holes in the face. It is a G10 handle made from fiberglass material, and its handle is suitable for various situations. The length of the blade is 3.99 inches and the length of the knife is 9.25 inches overall. When it comes to the dimensions of a blade itself, it has a closed length of 5.375 inches and an open length of 9.25 inches. Also, the blade features a thickness of 0.14 inches with a hollow grind. Plus, a 6.01 ounce light-weighted knife is simple to carry from one place to another. The locking mechanism of this knife is secure and safe, as the automatic liner safety of the knife gives an extra layer of lock security. When the blade is open, the flippers work as the protective finger guards. Moreover, it is a better and more suitable knife for quick work because the knife blade has a plain edge and vef serrated for fibrous and rough material. Overall, this knife will be one of your personal favorites in the list of the best high-end combat knives. Gerber makes some impressive combat knives that are carried by members of the US military, and the Gerber StrongArm is a definite marine-approved favorite as it checks a lot of the boxes anyone facing combat or harsh environments would need. This knife features a full tang blade constructed of 420 high-carbon stainless steel with a black ceramic protective coating and an incredibly strong overall build design. It is 3x16 by 5.5 inches in dimension. It is light in weight with a capacity of 7.9 ounce. The blade measures 4.8 inches with the overall length of the knife being 9.8 inches in size. Its handle is made out of a rubberized diamond texture grip. This material will deliver you a crazy good grip while also providing you with a comfortable grip through the harder task. Also, this knife comes with the 4 methods of mounting and carrying the knife and can be mounted on a molly on your belt or thigh. Therefore, the modular seat system features snap components that allow it to be carried vertically on a molly, horizontally on a standard 1.75 inches belt, or in a traditional drop leg belt mount fashion. Moreover, one of the things you'll love about this knife is that the butt end comes with a pointed end that can be used for striking or breaking through the glass. So if you're looking for one of the best tactical combat knives, you'll want to look at the Gerber StrongArm fixed blade knife. If you're looking for a tactical combat knife with a longer blade, then the SOG Seal Strike fixed blade knife is the best for you. It is super light, super sharp and feature rich. This combat knife comes with a 4.9 inch blade made from AUS 8 steel with a serrated edge and the overall size of the knife being 9.6 inches in length. And the whole knife weighs in at under 6 ounces. Also, SOG's unique cryogenic heat treatment process slowly decreases the knife's temperature to -300 Fahrenheit, then brings it back to the room temperature again. Therefore, this process relieves the blade material on an atomic level, resulting in an overall increase in toughness and heat and wear resistance. Even this knife comes with a glass-reinforced nylon handle, which is virtually unbreakable, making it a durable and reliable combat knife. The handle comes with a GRN texture, making it simple to grip without having to worry about the knife slipping in your hand. Plus, this knife comes with a deluxe hard-molded nylon sheath that includes a line cutter, ferrochromium fire starter, and sharpener. All in all, the SOG Seal Strike for all intents and purposes will probably be one of your favorite all-around survival knives. Zero Tolerance has a reputation for being expensive, tough, and extremely rugged. The Zero Tolerance 0452 CF knife incorporates real points that are reliable and trustworthy regardless of the situation. It has a strong titanium frame lock attached to the steel inside, combined with early lockup. This knife comes along with a 4.13 inches blade length that features the best quality S35VN steel blade. Thanks to its S35VN steel blade, you can effectively use the knife under various outdoor and tactical circumstances. Also, the knife has been rated best under the Zero Tolerance Knife Review, and furthermore, the blade quality is high. The blade is 0.156 inches thick. This knife is also very good in its ergonomics. It features a carbon fiber front and titanium stone-washed back. It consists of a dual blade finish with a non-reflective satin finish on it that makes it very impressive. It is a KVD ball bearing pivot that produces reliable, quick one-hand deployment. Its handle is carbon fiber with a stone-washed titanium frame lock. Plus, it includes a tip-up carry pocket clip. However, if you're a hunter, business professional, wilderness guide, survival expert, first responder, military, law enforcement, the Zero Tolerance 0452 CF knife would be the most suitable for you.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.